Hello. Driving a big truck is a very important job. But sometimes there's an emergency on the road. What do you do then? Well, don't worry. In this guide, we're going to learn the simple steps to stay safe and get the help you need.
So, let's imagine your truck has a problem. What is the first thing you do? This is a very important question. Let's find the answer together, starting with the most important thing. Okay, your number one job is to be safe. That's it. Before you check the truck, before you make a phone call, first you must be safe. You and other people on the road.
There are 4 key steps to be safe. Just 4. Let's look at each one by one.
First thing, step 1. Carefully move your truck to the hard shoulder. You know, that special lane on the side of the road. It's a safe place away from all the other traffic.
All right, step 2. Turn on your hazard lights. Find the button with the red triangle. Push it. The lights will start flashing. This is a signal for every other driver that you have a problem.
Step 3 is super important. Before you get out of your truck, put on your high-visibility vest. It's that really bright jacket. It helps other drivers see you very, very clearly, especially when it's dark or rainy.
And finally, step 4. You take your warning triangle and you walk carefully. Place it on the road a good distance behind your truck. This warns all the other cars so they have time to slow down.
Okay, you did it. The area is now safe. Good job. Now you need to call for help. And for that, you need to know some important English words to explain what's happening. Let's learn them now.
So first, let's learn the words for your problem. The most common problems are a breakdown or a flat tire. You might also hear engine failure or overheating. Breakdown is a really great word. It's simple. It just means your truck stopped working. If you don't know the exact problem, you can always just say, I have a breakdown. Easy.
A flat tire is another very common problem. That's when a tire loses its air. 2 other serious problems you might have are engine failure, which means the engine stopped working completely, or overheating, when your engine gets very, very hot.
Okay, next, you need to tell them where you are, your location. This is so important. The key words here are motorway, hard shoulder, and of course, kilometer post.
Always look for the kilometer post. It's a small sign on the side of the motorway. You'll see a number on it. This number shows your exact location. If you give this number when you call for help, they can find you very, very fast.
All right, you are safe and you know the right words. Now, let's put it all together. It's time to make that call for help.
When you call, start with the simple things. Say your truck's number plate and what the problem is. For example, hello, this is truck RO44XYZ. I have a breakdown.
Then you can give more details. What's the problem exactly and where are you? You could say something like this. I have a flat tire on the trailer. I am on the A3 motorway, kilometer post 126. Perfect. That's all the information they need.
So let's make it really simple. When you call, just remember 2 things. What is the problem and where are you? If you say that clearly, help is on the way.
The person on the phone will probably ask if you are safe, and you can say with confidence, yes. You can tell them all the safety steps you took. This is great because it shows them you are in control.
After you give them the information, the operator will tell you how long you need to wait. They might say, for example, that help will arrive in about 45 minutes. Now you know what's happening.
And that's it. You followed the steps, you called for help, and now help is coming. You are prepared for an emergency on the road.
So, let's just quickly remember the main things. 1. Always be safe first. 2. Use simple, clear words to explain the problem and where you are. And 3. Call for help. See, it's that simple.
An emergency on the road can feel scary, for sure, but it doesn't have to be a big crisis. By following these easy steps, you know exactly how to handle it, nice and calm. You are prepared, so drive safely out there.